Hello everyone. We are forever electromechanical. Our steel pipe quenching and tempering furnace adopts medium frequency induction heating technology with IGBT energy-saving power supply. It heats steel tubes evenly, greatly reduces deformation, and ensures consistent hardness and mechanical performance. The whole line is fully automatically controlled by PLC, equipped with closed circulating cooling system to save water and energy. It works well for seamless pipes, oil casings and alloy tubes, ideal for mass continuous heat treatment production. Welcome friends from home and abroad to call us for inquiries or visit our factory. We look forward to cooperating with you.